Alright, in my last video, I fixed up my kraton, but I wasn't able to test it because, it was dark outside, but now, it's bright, and it should be dry, hopefully, so I don't want to get this thing too dirty. But anyways, let's get these batteries in. Alright, got the batteries in, and before you freak out, I know you're not supposed to leave the Spectrum batteries, or pretty much any LiPo for that matter, plugged into stuff for a long period of time, and I will be driving it like right now, so that won't be sitting while it's plugged in. And remember, don't leave it plugged in to the car or the charger, or else your batteries will get destroyed. Alright, outside now. Jeez. Also, you know what I just noticed? The front diff isn't clicking. Those shims must have helped. But anyways, since the time that I haven't filmed a video at my yard, I built another jump, and then I extended this one. So we got the launch one, and then the long jump one. I'm gonna set the camera up somewhere. Alright, not the best angle, but overall, I'm pretty happy with this car's performance. The thick oil in the front and rear diff definitely does help. Yeah. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.